How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have some secret survey spoilers here, and I found these from Suzan's channel on YouTube, so I'll go ahead and link her below. And she is on YouTube as Glam with Suzan. So guys, if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on, that way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing more possible BoxyCharm spoilers, and these might be for the July base box. Well, thank you so much, Brittany Collins. Brittany says, first comment, been praying for you, Mandy. Well, Brittany, honey, thank you so much. That warms my heart and just makes me feel so much better. Brittany, I really appreciate you having your notification bell set and coming and watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, now before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer with a little red heart that is a new YouTube feature. If you're new here and you have not yet subscribed, if you hit the subscribe button, it's going to turn that little red heart blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. And it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of the year. So who don't want that? So let's go ahead and get that done. And welcome to the family, guys. I really appreciate it. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into these spoilers. Now, I'm going to show a couple of TikTok videos which might confirm a couple of these. And I know one. Well, let's just do this, y'all. So again, I did find these on Suzan's channel on Glam with Suzan. It's on YouTube. I will have her link below so you could go check this video out for yourself. You know me, I'm just here to kind of just show you the spoilers. If you want to hear anything else about these items, hear a description of them and what people think about them, it's best to go see her video because she'll explain all of that. So again, these were survey spoilers and they were sent to her. And you know, a lot of the survey spoilers that have been out have been items that we have seen in past boxes. So it could confirm some of these products, and then again it couldn't. But now her first survey spoilers were Marc Jacobs products. So everybody seems to think Marc Jacobs is coming to BoxyCharm. And we already know that he slipped that little sneak peek in of that, what is it, that pineapple stuff? I don't know, I'll put it right here. So we do know. Well, it's more closer to being confirmed since Joe did show that item in a little sneak peek in the background. So let's go over this stuff. So first up is Marc Jacobs items. So the first thing is the Dew Drops Coconut Gel Highlighter. That is valued at $45. Now that again was in a survey, so could we be seeing this later on in a BoxyCharm? We'll see. Next is the Marc Jacobs. This is the Enamored High Shine Lip Lacquer Lip Gloss, valued at $29. And then we have the Marc Jacobs Highliner Liquid Gel Eyeliner, valued at $16. And then, of course, here is the email for that one thing that I was just talking about. The Youthquake Hydra Full Retexturizing Gel Moisturizer, which is valued at $59. And again, Joe showed this on this Instagram picture right here. So again, this is more closer to being confirmed. Who knows, we could be seeing these items coming. Now next up, there was some Huda Beauty products. So these are also in surveys that were sent to Suzan. So the first thing, it showed the Pastel Obsessions eye palettes. Now it showed all 3 of them, the Lilac, Rose, Mint. Next up is the Huda Beauty Lifeliner Duo Pencil and Liquid Eyeliner. So that's like, I guess there's liquid eyeliner on one end and there is a pencil on the other end. And then it showed the Matte and Melted Shadow Duo Stick. And y'all know what this is. That's valued at $25. I've seen a lot of people review that. It's got a liquid matte eyeshadow on one side and a shimmer shade on the other side. Very interesting product. Now, next up, guys, it showed this. Is it Visart? I probably said that wrong. Anyways, it showed the 14 Neutral Mattes. What is that, Melier palette or something like that? So it did show that in the survey, so could that be coming to BoxyCharm? And it also showed this one. This is the Makeup Institute Los Angeles Uptown Girl Eyeshadow Palette. I have no idea what that is, never heard of it, but you know, it looks like a pretty good palette. Now next up, it also showed the Sunday Riley Luna Sleeping Night Oil. This is valued at $55. Now I know they do have that going in an Ipsy because I just revealed that one. And then next up, it shows this survey right here. Now this shows it says it's an Iconic palette. I couldn't find it anywhere. Suzan couldn't find it, so I don't know if it's Iconic London or maybe a different brand called the Iconic palette. I don't know. I'll do more research on it before I edit this video. And then it shows the GlamBySuzan lashes, which again, you know what those are. Those are most likely the magnetic lashes. And then it shows this, the Livido Age Away Hydrating Cream, which they did have one of those products by them in a past box. Now next up, it also shows a MAC lipstick. Now this one, guys, I think might be being closer to being confirmed because he showed a MAC lipstick on one of his TikToks. Let me go ahead and show you that.
What is this?
A MAC lipstick.
What is this?
A book.
MacBook.
No, don't leave me. Don't.
What is this?
A stick.
What is this?
A lip.
Lipstick.
No, don't leave me. Don't.
What is this?
A shadow.
What is this?
An eye.
Eyeshadow.
No, don't leave me. Don't.
So again, you know how Joe likes to slip these little sneak peeks in? So seeing that on his TikTok as well as in one of these surveys, I feel like that is being more closer to being revealed. And then last but certainly not least is the Eloise Liquid Eyeshadow. Now, here is a bunch of swatches that Suzan was showing of them on her channel. I think this is beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. I love these liquid shimmer eyeshadows, so I'm excited to see what everybody thinks about that. So guys, let me know what you think about these survey spoilers down in the comments. Which one of these items are you hoping to see in future BoxyCharm boxes? And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop, and as always, BoxyCharm's link below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Carmen. Is it Latornu? I probably butchered that, Carmen, honey. I'm so sorry. I do apologize. But anyways, Carmen says, thank you so much for the spoilers, babe. Take care and God bless. Well, Carmen, honey, thank you so much. I will. And I hope you do the same. I hope you're doing well. And I really appreciate you coming and watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, you got to leave a comment if you want to shout out. Guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yep, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but y'all only gonna have one option. You could only hit that thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit work a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine, you'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. That's it. That's all I got for you, and I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.